go.
Almost! Ian really wants the Charmander.
Ready, go.
Ah, too close. Hey, don't sweat too much.
Ready, go.
It's gonna.
Ready, go.
Ah, too close. That far.
Ready, go.
Wow, really close, DJ. There's something else. It's gonna eat all your money.
Oh, it's cool.
Go.
Okay, go. Can you stop making me go in the back?
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, Tyler. It's like really close.
Can you go check out the other side?
Go a little bit. Oh my god. Let it stop swaying first.
Go.
Someone just pressed it. No, no, no,
That's the one?
no. Should be good, yeah?
I think so. Why did you stop it?
Okay, you go.
Go, go. You gotta snap it. Is it right there? You gotta stop it though when it goes